Have you ever looked at those data numbers in your Google Analytics account and they seem to be a little bit inflated? Well, that's probably being caused by spammy bots. Now, today, we're going to be sharing 3 quick ways that you can clean up the data for a clearer view of who your real audience is. Let's jump right in. Now, when you're trying to block WordPress referral spam, you're going to need to identify the referral spam. You're going to find that in your Google Analytics report. So open up your Google Analytics account and then go to Reports and then to Acquisition, and then to Traffic Acquisition. Now you'll need to scroll down to the Referral row, and that's where you're going to see all the data. Now, search for Referral and click the plus sign, and then go to Traffic Source, then to Session Scope, then to Session Source. All right, now you're going to see a table broken down by how many referrals that you got from each referring site. Now, you can expect to see some really strange domain names here. Now, if the average engagement time per session is also 0 seconds, then these could be spammy. All right, now let's go over 3 easy methods to block referral spam from showing up in your analytics reports. One effective way to protect your website is by using a strong security tool. Referring spam is just one issue that your site might be facing, but there are lots of other threats out there as well. Now, that means that your WordPress site could also be at risk from hackers, viruses that could harm your site, and sneaky bots pretending to be real visitors. Now, to keep your website safe, well, you ought to think about using a security tool like Securi. It's one of the best security plugins for WordPress. Securi protects your site from malware, harmful software disguised as legitimate programs, and referral spam. Securi automatically blocks the most common spammy referrals. Plus, when it detects any new spam threats, it's going to block them to keep your site secure. Now, if you want to check out Securi, you're going to find a link in the description. Now, the second method is by installing a WordPress plugin that'll block referral spam. So we've chosen the Block Referral Spam plugin. Now, of course, you'll need to install and activate the plugin on your WordPress site. Then after it's activated, you're going to see a referral spam menu added to your dashboard. Now, when you hover your mouse over it, you're going to see 2 submenus, Referral Spam and All Block Sites. Now, if you click on All Block Sites, you're going to see the list of sites that are already blocked by the plugin. So you'll need to click on Referral Spam to configure the plugin settings and add any other sites that you want to block. Then select Auto Update or Block Mode. And you can force a manual update of the Referral Spam list. Now, if you see referral spam links in your Google Analytics report that aren't listed in that updated list, just add them to the custom block list by copying and pasting them in the text area next to custom blocks, and then click Save Changes. All right, now even after using both of these methods, you may still see reverse spam in your analytics report, and that's because some websites aren't actually visiting your site at all. And we call this type of referral spam ghost spam. Now, the reason they're showing up is that they send requests directly to your Google Analytics account using the tracking code that's in your site's header section. So anyone can find that code and then generate referral spam using that. So to block those sites, you're going to need to set up filters in Google Analytics. So to do that, just log into your Analytics account and then go to Admin, and next find Data Collection and Modification, and then select Data Streams. All right, now open the stream details by clicking the arrow next to your data stream. Next, scroll down till you find Configure Tag Settings and click on it. Then on the Tag Details page, under Settings, you might see a List Unwanted Referrals option. Then type in the top level of the domain that you wish to exclude. So for instance, for something like shop.mydomain.com, just enter mydomain.com. Next, choose Referral Domain Contains under the match type to ensure that any subdomains are also blocked. And then click Add Conditions for each additional domain that you want to add to the list. And finally, don't forget to hit Save. It generally takes about 24 hours before you're going to see any changes. Now, Monster Insight lets you easily connect your WordPress site with Google Analytics so you can view all the data that matters most right on your dashboard. Just a click of a button, you can set up sophisticated tracking features too, such as event tracking and e-commerce tracking. Plus, you can easily track forms, custom dimensions, outbound links, and media, as well as many other things that Google Analytics just doesn't track right out of the box. But if you need a little help installing and connecting your WordPress site to Google Analytics using Monster Insights, then check out our post on how to add Google Analytics to WordPress the right way. I'll leave a link in the description. Now, if you found this breakdown of how to stop refer spam on your WordPress site helpful, then go ahead and smash that like button and hit subscribe for more tips on understanding your website's performance. Up next, you'll definitely want to check out this video where I show you how to track website traffic using Google Analytics. We'll see you next time.